Hi, this is Kent with the Effective Church Group. Thanks for joining me for this week's church tip. Today, I want to share a powerful leadership tool, 6 simple words that can transform accountability in your church. Imagine you're walking through your facility and notice an issue. Perhaps the sunlight is washing out the projected worship service in an overflow room. You turn to your staff member and say, "This won't happen again, will it?" These 6 words convey 3 critical messages. 1. This isn't acceptable. You're setting a standard for quality and excellence. 2. You're responsible for fixing it. You're empowering your team to take ownership. 3. If it does happen again, we'll find someone who ensures it doesn't. You're emphasizing the importance of accountability. In many church environments, there's a tendency to applaud effort over results. While intentions are good, without tangible outcomes, our mission suffers. In the secular world, consistent underperformance leads to serious consequences. Shouldn't we, with our eternal mission, hold ourselves to at least the same standard? By consistently using "this won't happen again, will it?" you create a culture where excellence is the norm, not the exception. It's not about being harsh, it's about lovingly holding each other accountable to the mission we've been entrusted with. So, the next time something falls short, be it a misspelled worship slide, a late newsletter, or an underwhelming choir performance, remember those 6 words. Use them to foster a culture of responsibility and continuous improvement. If you found this tip helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for joining me. Until next week, keep on transforming.